Hey, Maria here with another Coda tip. So you know when you've got a doc with tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of text and you're like, I can't read that. And not even a TLDR will save you. Well, we have the Coda outline feature, which is a great way to turn any text-heavy page, like the one that I've got right here, into something that's a little bit more easy to parse and easier to navigate. All you need to do is come right up here, choose Page Options, and toggle on Outline. And notice right here along the right side, I all of a sudden have an outline that's created by the headers and the tables that I have in my doc. Better yet, I can click on any one of these and they just takes me right to that part of this particular Coda doc. I can come back up to the top, I can go further and on the way down. Makes your docs much more readable and more approachable for people in your work. So turn on your outlines when you got a lot of text, save your eyes, and I'll see you later for another Coda tip.